Schlage Custom hardware serves a dual function. It can work on both locking and non-locking doors. This video will walk you through the use of the privacy pin, which changes the function of your Schlage Custom hardware. To give your door locking functionality, make sure the wings are horizontal. Insert the privacy pin firmly into the pinhole in the trim until you hear a click. Once inserted, turn the privacy pin clockwise a quarter turn. To lock the door, simply push the privacy pin in. To unlock the door, turn the lever and the lock will disengage. For more information about Schlage Custom, visit schlage.com/custom. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing Schlage.